Emma! Look at Emma! Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the dogs. Hey, Chancy Pants. You doing?
Tell him why you're doing that.
Look at, there's 2 eyes on his butt. This is Emma. Emma, leave me the phone. Go get it. Drop it. Drop it.
Good girl.
Get. This is a bone that she loves. No more, Emma. Now these are the flowers. Those are the tomatoes over there. Chancy Pants and Auntie Kim and the garage, the hose, Emma again.
Okay, babe, let's I have to charge the battery.
Hold on, I just want to make a video.
I know, you've made a good video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here, let me see.
Hold on. It's almost over.